Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a tutorial on how can you bridge your tokens from Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum mainnet all the way to Harmony. Since you saw the last video, you know the hype around DeFi kingdoms right now. But many people are still wondering how can they allocate and move their tokens all the way to the Harmony network. So today I'm going to show you two ways on how to do it. And I'm going to tell you which one I prefer, but then it's up to you to choose whichever. So let's get right into it. The first way is actually through Binance. This right here is not my favorite one. The one I'm going to show you after this is a little bit longer, but for me is better. And I'm going to explain you why after I'm done showing you this. So right here, what you have to do, you basically go to trade and you can choose either classic or advanced. It doesn't matter. And you type right here, 1. And then you choose 1 USDT or 1 BNB, Bitcoin. You need to have this second token right here because you're going to use it to buy one. So you can buy one with Bitcoin, you can buy one with USDT, you can buy one with BUSD and with BNB. You choose whichever one of those you have. Or if you don't have any of these, just go ahead and buy some of these tokens. Once you've done that and you're back here, you're going to scroll down, and basically what you need to do, you click right here and market, and then you specify right here the amount of one you want to buy in USDT or in whatever other token that you're using. Once you've done that, for example, you select right here, you click buy one, and on the bottom right corner you will see the notification saying the transaction went through, if it went through partially or if it went through all the way. So you exchanged all your tokens to Harmony One. Once you've done that, you can close this tab and you should go in your wallet and select withdraw. Once you're here, you're gonna specify that you want to withdraw Harmony, and it's gonna ask you for the address. You're gonna copy your MetaMask address from the Harmony mainnet. You can see right here. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it right here. But here is why this method is not my favorite, because most of the time, especially since Harmony is a very small blockchain, is a very small chain, a very small network, most of the time you will see this message: congested, Harmony One congested. There is no way for us to send our money in this method. Depending on the time, you will see this right here without this congested thing, and you will be able to send it. But again, for the majority of the time, this will be right here. But why am I showing you? Because if you are, for some reason, lucky enough to get all the way here and then find that is open for you to send, it is very simple and very basic for you to send your money. But I'd say 90% of the time, you won't be able to. So I'm showing you guys because you might get lucky. But again, as I said, because of the blockchain being too small and a lot of people are going there right now because it's growing, then this is for now a bad way. So this was way number one, and you can see the fees are very, very small. We're talking about not even 1 cent, like a fraction of a cent. So what is the second way? Well, the second way, you're gonna get your tokens from Binance. You can get BNB, stablecoin, USDC, USDT, it doesn't matter. Just send it to your wallet. So it doesn't matter if it's BNB, if it's BUSD, USDC, it doesn't matter. Just send it to the Binance Smart Chain on your MetaMask. Once you're there, you're gonna go to this website. It's called Horizon by Harmony, and it's the bridge. So you just type bridge.harmony.one, and you're gonna get right here. So in this bridge, what you're gonna do, you can basically decide to send it from Ethereum or Binance. In my case, I'm going to send it from Binance to Harmony. So once you select right here, you're going to select if it's Binance to Harmony or Harmony to Binance. So since we're sending it to Harmony, I'm going to click on the first one. And then we're going to choose which type of tokens we're sending. If we're sending BNB, you select BNB right here, the amount, and your one address. If you're using MetaMask, it's the same one as the Binance Smart Chain. So you just put the BNB amount, the address, and you continue. And here you can add the BNB token to your Harmony wallet. But what if you're sending USDT or BUSD? Well, then in this case, you click on BEP20. Then you select your token, BUSD, ETH, ADA, USD, Matic, Mochi, it doesn't matter. You select it, you just put your MetaMask on the Binance Smart Chain, you just put the amount and the wallet. Same thing as we did before. Once you click continue, you're gonna pay the first fee that is gonna be in BNB, and then it's gonna transfer your tokens. Well, let me tell you something. From the couple of times I've done this, it can go either way. You can either get 5-minute transaction or a 2-hour transaction. I don't know why. Sometimes it takes a long time. Sometimes it takes very little time. I've done this 2 or 3 times, and 2 out of 3, it went really fast. And 1 out of 3, it took 2 hours. So why is this good? Why I prefer to use this way? Well, you're probably gonna pay a little bit more in gas fees because you're gonna have to send it from Binance to Binance Smart Chain, and then through Binance Smart Chain all the way to Harmony. So double gas fees. But something that is really good right here, you're gonna get an airdrop. If you send BNB or BUSD or whatever other token that is not one, you will receive an airdrop of 1. Basically, they give you free 1 token for you to use. For me, it gave something like 0.01 or 0.11 token for me to use, which is more than enough to do plenty of transactions, since everything on this blockchain is very, very, very cheap. So with the amount they give you, you're basically set for a long time of transactions. So this is why I prefer to use Horizon. So once you've done this right here and you set continue and you want to keep up with your transactions, what you can do, you can click in transactions and you will see right here, this right here is showing every transaction, and you can check each and every one and how long it took for them to send their money. But you can also click right here in only my transactions, and it's going to show you the transactions that specific wallet has done. In my case, this wallet, I think it has done only one transaction, which was the one that took a long time. But if you switch wallets and go to other wallets, you will see all the transactions that it has done. So this is basically it. I've shown you the Binance way and the official Harmony way, which is by using Horizon, which is where they give you a free drip of 1 for you to use as gas fees. So this is a very small video, but I hope many of you got all the way to the end. If you did, comment down below pancake. So if I see pancake in the comments, I know you're the real one and you got all the way to the end of the video. So once again, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.